everyone, welcome to yet another Write With Me session. And in today's question, we have a question from Guarantee, super easy. Ankit has taken a loan of 1 lakh. When we know the concepts, everything is easy. वैसे. Ankit had taken a loan of 1 lakh from Kishore on the guarantee of Sudeep at the interest rate of 12% per annum. After some time, due to financial crisis of Ankit, at his request, Kishore reduced the interest rate to 8%. And also extended the time for repayment. So here two things are happening. First, there is a variation of what? Terms. Second, there is an extension of time. So you have to write about both of this, right? So, as per the provisions of the Indian Contract Act 1872, any variation in the terms of the contract between the principal debtor and creditor without informing the surety shall discharge the surety from liability from the date of such variation. Correct? This is one provision. But extension of time is also there. So, if the creditor makes any composition with the principal debtor or extends the time or agrees not to sue the principal debtor and the surety is not informed, right? The surety shall be discharged from liability. Correct? So this is our provision. Let's see where's the question. Whether Kishore without the consent of Sandeep, Ankit becomes insolvent. Whether Kishore can sue Sudeep for the recovery of the amount. Do you think he can? No, because there was a variation. Therefore, Kishore cannot sue Sudeep as he is discharged from his liability. Correct? We are done with this. I hope it was clear to all of you. I'll see you all again tomorrow in the next Write With Me session. Till then, keep writing, keep practicing. Happy learning and stay motivated.